Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming signal and connectivity because most call failures are simple. Check signal bars and confirm airplane mode is off. Then restart the iPhone to clear transient glitches. Once restarted, go to Settings, toggle cellular data, and enable or disable Wi-Fi calling to test routing. Do this now so you isolate whether the problem is radio, carrier, or Wi-Fi. If calls work after these steps, you fix the common issues. If not, continue to the deeper checks. Next, you tackle network configuration and carrier factors. This is where stubborn problems hide. First, update iOS and carrier settings because outdated profiles can break call setup. After updating, try a call. If problems persist, reset network settings to clear custom APNs and VPNs. Note this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Once done, power down, remove the SIM, reseat it, or test with another SIM to determine whether the issue is SIM. Finally, you verify call routing and restore options to finish the fix. Check call forwarding and do not disturb so calls aren't being silenced, and review blocked contacts. If settings look correct but calls still fail, back up and perform a restore via iTunes or iCloud to eliminate deep software corruption. Once restored, test again. If issues remain, contact your carrier for network faults or Apple support for possible antenna or modem hardware problems. One key troubleshooting tip: swap SIMs to isolate carrier versus device failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.